How to choose the best laser engraver or cutter for you. Are you in the market for a laser engraver or cutter, but feeling overwhelmed by the options available? With so many models and features to choose from, it can be challenging to determine which one is the best fit for your needs. But fear not, because in this video, we'll walk you through 8 crucial factors to consider when selecting the perfect laser engraver or cutter for you. From power and speed to software compatibility and budget, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and find the laser machine that will take your projects to the next level. 1. Price. What's your budget? You can get passable laser engraving machines for just under $300 nowadays. But, they're often built from worse quality parts and aren't as accurate and reliable. Our top pick, the Xtool D1 Pro, starts at $600 plus. There's absolutely nothing wrong with opting for a more affordable laser engraving machine if you want to save money and don't need the extra power. But, think carefully about your current and future needs. For example, you might want to cut larger or thicker material. If you're on a budget, get a low-cost machine like the Xtool D1 Pro, or save a few bucks and get the Ortur Laser Master 3. On the other hand, if you want a budget CO2 laser, the OMTech K40 is passable but not user-friendly. 2. Laser power. What material do you want to cut or engrave? The more power a laser has, the faster you can set it and still cut in one pass. So, a powerful laser saves time and cuts quicker. However, don't just buy a laser engraver because of raw laser power. There's more nuance, and some companies also falsify their laser's power. The Xtool D1 Pro and Ortur Laser Master 3 are actually 10W diode lasers, with a 20W option for the Xtool. A 10W laser can cut fairly thick wood and engrave coated metals. A 40W CO2 laser can do much of the same, but far better and faster. Only very powerful fiber laser cutters can begin to cut metals, and these are industrial machines. 3. Speed. Laser cutting and engraving speed. Don't confuse speed with laser power. Though, as speed is just the maximum speed your laser will move across each axis, it doesn't mean it'll be able to cut right through the material. Different laser engravers have different optimal speeds, and you can test your laser engraving machine with test cuts. Go slower for cutting thicker materials, but go faster if you want to engrave and don't want a too dark contrast. 4. Precision and quality. Engraving accuracy is crucial to high-quality engraving. Engraving precision is formed of a combination of focal point and depth of cut, and factors like the stepper motors. The more precise your engraving and cutting, the more defined, crisp, and high quality your projects will look. However, these specs don't tell the whole story. Laser engravers are very accurate, even cheap ones. But it's all for nothing if you don't optimize your settings and laser beam focal length. Moreover, speed, percentage power, whether you have air assist, and many more factors affect your end project's final quality. 5. Size, work area. The last thing you want is to be restricted to small projects. There are professional laser engraver options with enormous working areas, but also remember that an enclosure restricts the area you can engrave. Cheap laser engraving machines under $1,000 usually have open-air systems, rather than enclosures, and can offer good sizes for the price. Lasers by Ortur and Xtool have in excess of 400 by 400 millimeters. This is more than enough for most hobbyist projects and large engravings. 6. Ease of use. If you're a beginner, the last thing you want is a complex machine with complex laser software that you can't understand. In fact, the Glowforge laser cutter brand is built on being super user-friendly. Makers love Glowforge's convenience. I have owned 3 Ortur lasers, LM2, LM2 Pro, and LM3, the Xtool D1 Pro 20W, and a host of other lasers by 2 Trees, Longer, and other brands, and my recommendations for beginners is the Xtool. Accessories and rotary attachments. Rotary attachment add-ons turn it into a laser engraver for Yeti cups, and cylindrical objects like beakers, and similar objects with coated metal surfaces, glasses, mugs, and more. If you're business-minded and want to set up your own store, these are very profitable and popular items. Generally, you can make far more per hour of laser use engraving on curved surfaces than on most other projects. Other attachments include extension kits, enclosures, air assist, Honeycomb laser beds. More powerful laser heads for cutting thicker materials. Choosing the best laser engraver or cutter for your needs requires careful consideration of several factors such as the type of materials you plan to work with, the size of the machine, the power of the laser, and your budget. It is also important to research and compare different brands and models to ensure that you get the best value for your money. By taking the time to assess your requirements and doing your homework, you can find the perfect laser engraver or cutter that will help you achieve your goals and bring your creative ideas to life. We hope this video helped answer your questions. If so, give us a like and follow us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.